In this movie, Mimomitt will say farewell to diesel buses. Away from the railway tracks, buses are the backbone of public transport. This is no different in our model town Steinheim. In recent years, the city administration of Steinheim has expanded the bus network and timetables. In comparison, it is the trains that have been powered by electricity for decades. Here we can see an incoming regional tram train. But modern diesel engines are in operation as well, like this one pulling an intercity train. The connecting bus service is as well a diesel. In the local bus depot of Deutsche Bahn's bus branch, some buses take a break after having returned from some school runs in the morning. You can see several modern vehicles. However, while the regional train and the cargo train run electrically, nothing works on the road without the proven diesel engines, even in the most recent vehicles. But what is going on here in the bus station in Bärental? Is this a climate protest? And wasn't that just little Greta? Let us take a closer look again. Indeed, this seems to be a climate protest. But why does it happen at the bus station? Is it intended to be a protest for or against public transport? Isn't the protection of the climate exactly the reason why Steinheim County tries to expand the public transport network? And yet, if you take a closer look, the more buses, the more tailpipe emissions are released. There are no zero emissions vehicles in operation at all. For this reason, something is happening in Bärental bus depot in matters of climate protection. The first battery electric vehicle has arrived and steers to its new parking slot. A charging station is already in place. In addition, the crew of Bärental is currently testing a hybrid bus. It has been borrowed from a Dutch sister company. Something is going on in Steinheim railway depot too. The diesel filling station has switched to a greener fuel. It is made from hydro-treated vegetable oil and is called HVO. Since new, it can be used in pure form, which is called HVO 100. Thus, this is a transitional solution for operating the existing diesel buses in a greener way. They don't need fossil fuels anymore. And they are not alone. It is the diesel engine Mark 245 that is getting here on its way to the filling station. By crossing the transfer platform, it can reach the filling station. There would be customers abound, like this big engine of DB Cargo. However, our green fuel HVO is still a scarce stuff. This Mark 232 engine will still have to wait for a while. And still more is happening. Will this be the future? Anyway, the Bärentalers just want to try it and are testing the hydrogen bus. It is powered by a fuel cell and carries its technical equipment on the roof. As there is no hydrogen filling station in Steinheim and its surroundings, it is a mobile filling station that will have to work for a while. Step by step, the picture is changing at the bus station. More and more frequently, you can see battery-powered vehicles. The regional railcar link would also be interested in switching to greener diesel HVO, but it has to wait as well. Increasingly, public transport in Steinheim turns to electric and zero-emission vehicles. New opportunities are arising for the freight railways too. They carry hydrogen or materials like its precursor, ammonia. Step by step, Steinheim is saying farewell to its diesel buses. New bus types have entered the scene. And last not least, even formerly severe critics seem to be satisfied.